smokes. John Deere fires up, gets some heat in it. Do we have any John Deere fans? Come on, let's move on. It's about 24 degrees outside, and it takes a few games of ether to get that up and going. So let's see what the red line has got here tonight. Midwest champion, finished up fourth at PPL points, but they had a few wins out the summer, and they struggled for a few years, but they're back up on top. This past summer, but an interesting note, they have never qualified for the finals. Win down at Goshen, Indiana with this tractor, but they also run a benefit event back in Addison, Vermont as well, where they raise a lot of money. Let's see what the tractor out of Vermont got for us here tonight. So 72-20 on the starting line, coming your way. He is a couple of times the previous champion in the Pro Polo Point Champion Tour. Just to the building the bridge on just a little bit more. We're getting ready to go. He's going to look long and tall. We got one right here. So thinking about the Andersons, obviously, and now we got one here. We'll see where we go. Getting stuck runner out of the state of Illinois.